Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make money online in Nigeria in 2021, right? If you are an existing subscriber on this channel, you will agree with me that my method over the years has remained the same, which is that I go out there, I find something that works, and I come on this channel and show you exactly what I did, so that you do the exact same thing and get the exact same result, guys, right? I just found this amazing website, and I'm going to be introducing you to this website in a little while. Now, if you're new to my channel, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the notification button, because what I do on this channel basically is that I show you all the ways that I used to make money online, right? I make 99% of my money online, affiliate marketing and all the other methods that I teach on this channel. So I have a lot of videos, and I always drop new videos, periodically. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online in Nigeria 2021. This is a new method that I just discovered. I tried it worked out for me, and I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can do this same thing and probably get the exact same result. Now let's go to my screen, guys, and let me show you exactly how to get this done.
Hey guys, so the platform I'm talking about has been promoted by some of the Nigerians' top celebrities like MC Lively. This is him right here talking about this.
There's one online betting site now, the fastest cash out betting site in Nigeria.
Okay, so this is MC Lively talking about this exact same platform that I'm going to be talking to you about in a little while, and this is Twyse talking about the same platform, right? Talking about the same platform, and this is ZFancy. Talking about the same platform,
and I don't know,
right? So, and this is Diane of Big Brother Nigeria talking about the same platform, and okay, Twyse, I've looked at this before now, and this is Sydney Talker.
I placed the bet on OluwaDollarz and I just cashed out.
So this is Sydney Talker talking about the same platform I'm going to be talking about. So basically, guys, WazzoBet is the most reliable online gaming platform in Nigeria, as evidenced by A-list celebrities I just mentioned, including OluwaDollarz, ZFancy, and the ones that are even Mr. Macaroni, right? So I've talked about this platform, and it's basically a betting platform like any other one, but it has a lot of peculiarities. Now, they will give you 50,000 welcome bonus once you sign up on their platform, and you can start betting, right? But that is not what I'm going to be focusing on right now. I'm going to be telling you how to actually make money on this platform without placing a bet by yourself, right? So what we are going to be doing is just come to wazzobet.com, right? And just like you can see here, that's the first link box below. Come to wazzobet.com, then come all the way down to the bottom and click on affiliates, right? So you can register to become an affiliate on WazzoBet. Now this is very, very simple. I'm going to be showing you how to do it step by step. So I'm logged into my own account, so I'm just going to log out to my own account so I can show you exactly how this is done. Okay, so I'm logged out to my account right now. So this is where it's going to bring you, WazzoBet, affiliate.wazzobet.com, as you can see right here. So you need to click on sign up, right? You click on sign up, then you fill in your login name. So you just need to put in your login name. Choose a login name, right? Let's say your login name is Andrew 159, right? Then your email address, you put in your email address or whatever your email address is. Let me use this: online hustle channel at gmail.com. right? Then your Skype ID, this is optional. As you can see, it doesn't have this asterisk right here, so it's optional. So you just can leave this alone. Then put in your phone number also, which is optional, but of course you have a phone number, so why not put it, right? Then hit sign up. Of course you agree with terms and conditions. Sign up. Okay, so could you please name your sources of traffic and volume? With this info, we can make individual offer after you, right? So traffic source, your traffic source, you can say that it's Facebook, right? And you have my Facebook page. My Facebook page is built around betting, and it has over 100, or let's say 50k followers. My Facebook page or Facebook group, right? Okay, so you can do this, then hit confirm, or you can, whatever you have followership, is on Instagram, is whatever it is, that you can put it right here, right? I hit confirm, and once you hit this, you're going to have, okay, so registration, your request has been sent to the moderation, right? So if you check this email right here, you're going to, so in this email right now, you can see registration for affiliate was open, confirmation of registration, right? Andrew 159, your request for affiliate registration The request has been sent to the moderation. The reply will be sent to you as soon as moderation is passed, right? So they're going to get back to you once with an approval, you know, and once it's approved, you can now log in. So while we're waiting for this approval, I'm going to log into my own Wazobet affiliate program and show you guys around. So what I'm going to be doing is right here. I'm just going to log into my own account, which is this, right? So I hit login. Okay, no, I think I changed this password. Should be this should work. Okay, so you logged in successfully. So this is my own affiliate dashboard, you know, and what you are, if you come here, if I've not started promoting, right? Okay, this is my own affiliate dashboard, and we're going to be running this promotion together, right? So this is exactly what you're going to be doing once you get your own app. So you're going to be getting people to actually sign up and bet. People that love betting, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So this is the affiliate link, right? I'm just going to copy this affiliate link right now. I'm just going to copy it. Then go to a website called bit.ly, and shorten this link. You know, I'm just going to come here and shorten this link. So I'm just going to got it. So I'm just gonna close this. Okay, so put in the link right here, right, and shorten it. Nice and easy. Then I click copy it. Then I will copy this link, because what we need people to do is actually click on this link and buy and start betting, right? And once somebody clicks on this link and signs up for Wazobet and starts betting, we're going to make money, right? So that's how the affiliate program works. So I'm just going to come right here and go to Facebook and search for betting, right? So we're looking for groups where people are where it's built around betting actually. So this one says free daily betting tips, and it has 255,000 members. So I'm just going to right click it and open it in a new tab. And then the second one, this one has the 8,000 members, which is also okay. So I'm going to open the new tab. And this one has Bet Niger TY win. I'm just going to open this in a new tab. Okay, so you can go to see all. This is all groups. I prefer dealing with groups as opposed to pages, right? So free betting predictions, it's 8,000 followers, members actually. So this one has 40,000. You can actually go ahead and for there, this one has 2,400. This is another thing for you to look out for, right? This one has 3,500 posts a day. This one 2 posts a week. So this is not the good one for you to go for, right? Because of course it has a very low engagement. This one has 2,400 posts a day. This one has 2,800 posts a day. So these are the kind of groups that you want to join, right? This one online betting 140 posts a day. So randomly, I'm just going to open this also in a new tab, then come all the way down, right? So that's exactly how to get this done. So I'm just going to open these places that I opened already. I'm just going to go to this place and wait for them to load up, right? Okay, so this is done loading. So I'm just going to hit join, because we need to join these groups. That's what we need to do. We need to become members of these groups. So of course I'm joining as myself. Then I'm going to join group right here. Then the same thing here, and the same thing here, and here, and here, right? So let me just close this bit.ly that I opened earlier. So I'm just going to come here and wait for this to load up. Okay, still loading. So I'm just going to hit join group, right? Join group, and I'm joining as myself with my profile and join group, right? So I'm just going to come here and hit join group again. Of course, myself, join group, and okay, so this one is asking some questions. Are you ready to cash out big? Yes. Can you stake high? Yes. Are you ready to do the group? Yes. So hit submit, right? I'm just answering this question because some of these groups, if you don't answer correctly, they're not going to approve your request to join. Okay, so if you the first few ones that we clicked on, they didn't ask us all these questions. So this one, join now. Let's see if this is going to ask us question. I'm doing it as myself. I click join group and wait. Okay, it's asking me a question. Which country are you from? Okay. If you need 100% safe HT, blah 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 blah. Okay, I agree to the rules. These are all the rules, right? So I hit submit. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for us to be for our request to this page to be approved, so that we can jump right into this group and start making promoting WhatsApp, right? And getting people to sign up for WhatsApp and start making money online in Nigeria 2021, guys. Okay, so I think we just got approved for one. Okay, so this one has approved us. So this one has approved us. It says your request to join free betting has been approved. So we're just going to open this one that has approved us. And you see that we have access to this group right now. Yeah. So it says private premium group and blah, 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 blah. How's your mind? What's on your mind, Gerald, and stuff. So we can actually make posts right now. And when we post something, this 8,000 people are going to actually see our post. So this is what I'm going to do now. This is very important for you. It's important for you to actually pay attention, right? It's very, 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 very important for you to pay attention to what I'm going to do right now. So I know right. So do you want to get free 50,000 naira welcome bonus for signing up on a betting website? The betting website if you are interested, kindly inbox me, right? So what we are going to be doing, kindly inbox, what we're going to be doing is that because some of these sites, they will not let you post your links, or they will not approve your stuff, and you don't want to put that in the open, right? You want to build a kind of relationship. Now a lot of persons will just come here and of course drop this link right here. This works both ways. Now the owner, the admin of this site might actually flag this down because you're trying to promote something. They might flag it down. So the safest way to do it is to not put this link right here. Wait for the people that are interested to actually contact you. When they come into your inbox, then you can actually send the link to them and tell them to go sign up on WhatsApp. Now, once they sign up and they start betting and start putting money, you start making money with the affiliate marketing program, right? This is something that works. This is what affiliate marketing is all about. You sign up, you sign up for affiliate program, you get your unique link, and once somebody clicks on your links and buys something, you get a commission. That's basically how affiliate marketing works, and you can do this with WhatsApp right now. So that's exactly what I'm showing you. And if you're interested in making money online in Nigeria in 2021, I think this is the best way for you to go, right? This is the best way for you to go. So guys, I'm just going to post this right now, and we're going to wait for the response. So once people start responding, your post has been submitted. So this particular page, once you submit your post, it will go through the approval moderation period. Once the admin looks at it and approves it, it gets published for everybody to see, and you start getting a response. That is why it's important for you to do this for as many pages groups as possible, right? You can do like 50 groups, so because some of them are going to approve you, some will not approve you. The ones that approve you, and there are some groups that will not need a moderation, so you can just post things right there. So it's important for you to spread your tentacles as wide as possible, right? The wider you spread it, the more opportunities you have, So that's exactly how to make money with WhatsApp affiliate program. And I can tell you that is the fastest and easy way to make money online as an affiliate marketer, right? It's also very reliable and unique as you become a partner and earn money as well while you're doing this, right? So this is exactly how to do it. Until I see my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys.